Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is My Knowledge Park, and just today we will discuss regarding know about the numbers in English. In my previous videos we have discussed regarding the same topic, that is know about the numbers in English. But now how we have to discuss? We have to discuss regarding the know about the numbers in English, but we have to follow one of the rules out of 13 rules. 13 रूल में से और एक रूल है, वो रूल्स फॉलो करने से हमें क्या है बाबा, सिंगुलर के प्लूरल्स फॉर्म मिलते हैं. How do we get the plural forms of the singulars? Now just we see one of the rules. And what is that one of the rules? In English grammar, if the singular name of the noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x or z, then an es has to be put at the end of the noun to make its plural. अगर singular name of the noun ends with yes, अगर एक वचन ये जो नाम है अगर yes से एंड होता है या डबल एस से एंड होता है या एस एच से एंड होता है या सी एच से एंड होता है या एक्स और जेड से एंड होता है, तो उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म कैसे लिखना है? ईएस ऐड करके लिखना है, तो वो सिंगुलर कन्वर्ट्स इनटू प्लूरल. फॉर एग्जांपल, हाउ इट इज क्लास? इट इज क्लासेस. Classes are also just referred in the school, also the rooms, first class, second class, third class. In the same way, what we can say in job also, what it is there? There are the grades. Understand? Class 1 officer, super class 1 officer, second class officer. Understand? Such type of the names are supposed to be used. After that, kisses. Understand? So what is main hint, or what is the main one of the rules? That is, if the singular name of the noun ends with s or double s or sh or ch or x or z, z हो, x हो, ch हो, sh हो, ss हो, es हो, अगर ऐसे वावल्स या ऐसे कॉन्सोनेंट्स एंडिंग को जब आते हैं, आने के बाद उसको अगर सिंगुलर का प्लूरल बनाने का है तो क्या करना है? उसके सामने es ऐड करके we have to make it the plural form of the given singular word. Now bench is there, benches, bench, benches, mass, masses, mass media, mass is there. Understand? Masses, mass, it is cover, curtail, mass. After that, what you can say? Tax, taxes, tax, taxes. In the same way, watch, watches. This watch expresses the meaning of two nouns. One is the wristwatch and another one is the action of watching. As generally, as you know, we watch TV. Understand? We see TV. No, we see TV. What happens? Simply we are observing to the figure of the TV. But watch the TV. What exactly the moments are going to move in the TV, that we have to see. That is watches. After that, match, matches, match, matches. Yeah, match, compare also is there, and one of the games, that is innings also is there. Now it is bush, bushes. Understand? Bush, bushes. I mean, bushes, what is thorny bushes are there? Understand? Some of the area of Rajasthan, it has been packed by thorny bushes. Apart from thorny bushes, nothing will be there in the Rajasthan, and it has been declared as one of the parts of Rajasthan is just like a desert, and totally it is desert. Now it's topaz. Topaz is none other than, it is one of the name of the companies, that is Topaz. And even though the saving blade, understand, that is also one of the brand of Topaz. It is Topazes, Topazes, Topazes. Now box is there. Yeah, box is there, box offices are there. Understand? Even the box. Do you know nowadays in theater there is a balcony? Just preference had been given earlier to the balcony, but nowadays the preference has been given the box. And generally very VIP people used to have that. Understand? So that is box, boxes. Understand? Now it is foxes. Now it is foxes. In previous video, what I had told, yeah, along with ox, I had written here fox, that ox was going to just ox was going to express the meaning of singular noun, and if it has been written in en form, oxen, ox was going to become oxen, but fox is not going to become fox, not going to become fox, is not going to become foxen, but it is foxes. Just you listen, what is the intention again behind my spoken English class is only that much. Whenever you write, whenever you speak, at that time, yeah, just if there is little what you can say, a little but blur is there, then even though what will not be happen, your mistakes are not supposed to be founded out. But when you write at that time, surely even single, even a very what you can say lower classes students are also going to find out your mistakes whenever you write. Therefore, whenever you just attend my classes, whenever you listen my classes, at that time you are not supposed to be just gone wrong. Where whenever you write, whenever you spoke, whenever you speak, sorry, whenever you speak at that time, though you are going to commit mistakes while pronouncing at that time, understand, just they take less serious, who? The listeners. But when you write at that time, they are not going to take what we can say easy. Definitely what do? They will criticize. Therefore it is very important what it is there, if the singular name of the noun ends with sir, अगर एक वचन का जो नाम है वो नाम अगर एंडिंग को यस आता है या डबल एस या एस एच या सी एच या एक्स और जेड आता है, तो उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म फाउंड आउट करने के लिए, लिखने के लिए क्या लगाना चाहिए? ये यस लगाना चाहिए. अब थोड़ा ध्यान दे दो, वैसे कौन से वर्ड्स है बाबा? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस 10 to what we can say 11 examples, there are so many examples are there, but just what we have to do, we should understand first these things. पहले हम ये समझ लेना चाहिए. ये समझ लेने के बाद हम अच्छी तरह से अंग्रेजी में बात करेंगे और उसके साथ साथ लिखेंगे. अंग्रेजी एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है, अंडरस्टैंड, इट हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड एज अ इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज, और उस लैंग्वेज के अंदर बात करना, इसका मतलब यह है कि बाबा पूरी सारी दुनिया आपको देखती है इंग्लिश में बात करते समय. जनरली या मेनी व्हाट यू कैन से द ग्रेट पॉलिटिशियंस यूज्ड टू स्पीक इन वेरी फैंटास्टिक वे इन इंग्लिश, and the whole world concentrate towards their talking. Yet that time we people should not commit mistakes whenever we speak and whenever we write. Generally what is that, there is a lot of work of writing, especially to the teachers. Teachers लोगों को लिखने का बहुत रहता है बोर्ड के ऊपर. उस वक्त students they find out very very correctly. As you know my dears, students are the real judges of the teacher. Students जो होते हैं टीचर के वो जज होते हैं, वो सही फैसला सुनाते हैं टीचर के बारे में. और इसीलिए टीचर्स मस्ट बी वेरी वेरी अलर्ट, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स आर silent observers. They are silent observers. They observe you silently, and though they are not going to complain in the class whenever they attend the class, but when they go back home, surely just when they what we can say in friend circle, when they mingle, at that time they start to what we can say praise, or they start to degrade of the teacher. Why? Only on their teaching style. So such things are not supposed to be happen. So what was my intention? My intention was that मेरा क्या है, वह ये क्या है, इसके पीछे क्या मतलब क्या है, यानी कि इसके पीछे क्या इंटेंशन है. इंटेंशन एक ही है, क्या है? if the singular name of the noun ends with ss, sh, ch, x or z, then an es has to be put at the end of the noun to make its plural. उसका प्लूरल करने के लिए यस लगाना है. कैसे वर्ड्स है अंग्रेजी में? ठीक उसी तरह से. कैसे हुआ? क्लास चेंजेस इनटू क्लासेस. इट इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस द ड्यूअल मीनिंग. ड्यूअल मीनिंग दो क्या बोलता हुआ, ये ड्यूअल मीनिंग करता है. आफ्टर दैट kisses, bench, it is also dual meaning. Benches, mass, it is also mass, masses, tax, taxes, watch, watches. After that match, matches, bush, bushes, topaz, topazes, box, boxes, fox, foxes. That you have to keep it in your mind. For today, this much is quite enough. We will come in next video with new topic. Till then, take care. आपका दिन मंगलमय हो.